Jigsaw virtually has almost no blade deflection. You're cutting an 1.5 inch, 2 inch piece of oak, you cut it and you've got 90-degree cuts, which is a miracle unto itself.
It's a precision product, it makes it faster, and it's so easy to work with.
Video Shopping Network, an Amazon affiliate. To see this product on Amazon, click the link in the video description below. You'll be able to see current pricing, product reviews, and any special deals. Desktop users should see the Amazon quick link below the video. Mobile users will need to click the little down arrow below the video first.